Okay, today we have the Ford Ranger in for its headlight restorements. As we can see on the driver's side, we've got a bit of haziness to the lens. That can cause an MOT failure due to the light pattern. So we're going to do our 6-stage headlight restorement, and then we're going to put the ceramic coating over the top of the lenses, and it should make the front of the truck look lovely. So let's see what we can do. Okay, end video on the Ford Ranger. It's had its front headlights restored now. So as we can see, it sets the front of the truck off. So they look lovely and brand new. They've had a 2-year ceramic coating put on the top lenses as well, just to extend the lifetime. But obviously they're not going to fail any MOTs now, and they should look lovely once the lights are on. Okay, beautiful.